Did you know that the old reservoir wasn't supposed to have this shape? A photo from the early 1900s gives us an idea of how much the old reservoir, built in the Foss district, represented a huge step forward in the urbanization of the city of 𝗬𝗏𝗏. In fact, the water arrived from the Corvo district in the territory of 𝗷𝗵𝗶𝗲 through a cast iron pipeline that is still visible along a stretch of the Magna Via Francigena.
At that time, it was a significant economic investment because in addition to the reservoir, 2 watering troughs and 13 fountains were installed throughout the town. During the fascist period, it was replaced by other reservoirs located at higher elevations. After the Second World War, it was converted into a municipal warehouse until a couple from 𝗬𝗏 decided to purchase it in 2004 and renovate it to turn it into a bar.
Ogni volta che passavo di qua vedevo questa struttura strana, mi è sempre piaciuta, ma da sempre, sin da bambina, quindi è stata una cosa, sapevo esattamente che era una conserva d'acqua, un'antica conserva d'acqua, e mi pare di ricordare anche degli animali legati ai ganci che ci sono fuori.
But the original design of the reservoir, dated 1874, was different. A much more refined facade in both form and function, featuring 3 sections, 2 fountains, 2 statues, a central doorway, the coat of arms of 𝗬𝗏𝗏 at the top, and a central access staircase. Unfortunately, the project was scrapped precisely because the funds were used for the water pipeline between 𝗬𝗏𝗏 and 𝗷𝗵𝗶𝗲, so the reservoir was reduced in size and constructed as we see it today.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like.
Share it. And click the follow button so you don't miss our next videos.